Hey everyone, welcome back to the Internet Mula. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to enable low power mode on the MacBook Pro M4 Max, whether you're traveling, working on battery, or just want to squeeze out a little extra life. This setting can help you. So, what is low power mode? Low power mode reduces your MacBook's energy consumption by lowering system clock speeds and slightly dimming the display. It's great when you're running on battery and need maximum runtime. So the first thing, open the system settings and then click in the Apple menu. As you guys can see here, in the top left corner, choose battery, and as you guys can see in the sidebar, scroll down and select battery. So you will see a setting called low power mode. So click on battery and choose low. Once you do that, you will notice the system slightly reduces background activity and optimizes battery usage automatically. So for this one, on power adapter, your Mac will automatically choose the best level of performance and energy usage. You can choose low power mode as well. And in options, if you click options, there is slightly dim the display on battery, prevent automatic sleeping on power that adapter, so you don't need to select this one. Click done and you should be good. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you guys again. Bye.